Hey guys.
Hey.
I'm Noelle.
I'm Adria.
And we're doing something a little different today.
Yeah.
We
are in our campground.
I'm gonna walk over a little bit away. There's a wasp nest right there. Alright, we're gonna walk and talk. Let's go. So we're at our campground in the woods. That's not our camp in the back. We're a little bit away from our camp. But today we're gonna be making fairy houses because local to us, there's a lot of like fairy walks. When I was little, I used to be obsessed with fairy houses. I went on all the fairy walks and everything. I used to put on little fairy wings. I'd build a fairy house sometimes, but I forgot how to make it. So that's what we're gonna do today. So we're gonna try and make some houses today.
So what we don't really need anything.
Yeah.
So
we just gotta make whatever we find in the woods. If you are little, make sure you ask a parent and wear some bug spray because you can get ticks and mosquitoes and it can hurt you.
I actually got bit by a tick before because I didn't have
not bit
bug
by
spray.
a tick. You don't get bit by a tick.
Yeah, I did.
Did
By a tick.
they bite you?
Yeah. They latched onto my skin.
Okay, latched onto your skin.
Onto my skin.
Yeah, and we do have to get it off
in the woods
because it can make you sick.
I was in the woods without any bug spray on,
Mm-hmm.
and I was at Girl Scouts too.
Yeah.
So you gotta be careful about ticks.
Yeah.
Was that this year?
It was. I got a tick on me back in 6th grade. 2 years ago?
But it's
3 years ago? 2 years. What do you need for your fairy house?
Well, you need sticks, of course.
Mm-hmm.
But you also need almost bendable bark that doesn't break that hard.
Okay.
So you could tie it together.
Cool.
If you don't, since you're building it out here.
Yes.
We're going to be back at our camp when we start building this.
I believe so. But fairy houses are usually just about the size of your hand, maybe a little smaller. Because fairies are quite small. So we're going to make sure we have a fairy house small enough for the fairy.
And actually, I have
if it's
found
too big, it's going to be
I have found
way
something
too big
cool
for them.
so far. There's metal cans over here.
Oh, we're not going to touch those.
I know.
Mm-mm. Only sticks and leaves and stuff. So I think we should start.
Also, you want a parent on hand because here's another reason why. Poison ivy.
Yeah. So poison ivy. Let me see if I can find an example. Okay, I can find an example, but it's not actually poison ivy. But I can show you guys what it looks like. I think you guys can see that. It looks like this. It has the 3 points.
1, 2, 3.
And they're usually a little bit red. And it's usually low to the ground. So
this is a growing tree.
Yeah, this one's a growing tree. But it looks like this. So if you're out in the woods, if you're not sure what kind of plant it is, don't touch it. Because you can get some nasty rashes.
And Noelle has got...
This kind of leaf is okay.
Because that's on a tree.
Yeah. Any one that are on trees are usually okay. But the little ones on the ground that are a little red and have the 3 points, you don't want to touch those. Because they can give you a rash and hurt you. But I think we can start now.
Yes.
Okay, let's try and find some stuff. Hi. Ada went to go get a bucket right now because we had a lot more than we expected. But some ideas if you're on the hunt right now. You can get some leaves and some of these and dead pine needles. We think maybe a roof or maybe we'll make a broom or something like that. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But we're trying to we have so much stuff that we want to use. So I'm gonna go get a bucket. I should probably be back up soon.
So you want to show what we have so far? So, yeah. So we have some sticks, which we need more of. Plenty of sticks. Leaves to like make some maybe like to make the outside of the wall so it looks pretty. And we're going to use these to hold the sticks together. Hold the sticks together. Okay. You want to show everybody how you hunt for this stuff? Well, first of all, what tree did I just go? Oh, it's over here. What? Oh, it's right there. This tree? This tree. There now is a stick on. I took it off. Mm-hmm. I can take this one off. There we go. Well, this one's a little wonky, but that's okay. You just use the stem from that one. Then you could just like, since it's the words, there's a bunch of twigs. Oh yeah. So, twigs.
Now, hi.
Hi.
Let's keep looking for things. What the heck is this?
Okay. Another little tip. If you
Where
don't,
is it? Hold on.
if you don't know what it is, don't touch it.
Yeah, what?
We are not sure what this is. It could be poisonous. It could hurt us. We're not sure what it is, so we're not gonna go touch it, unless you know what it is, or unless your parent know what it is. Don't touch it. Cool.
Let's continue. So, yeah, wow. Yes, ma'am. What are you going to look for? How about you go stick searching? Go stick searching. Find all the good sticks. We're in the woods. By the way, if you were going to be out in the woods, like in the middle of the woods, you might want to bring the bug spray. Yeah, bring bug spray with you. We're not, oops, sorry. We're, like, not very far from our camp. So there's not as much bugs. There's also a big, like, open field over here, so. Which we don't go in. That way. Yeah, we don't go in. It's very, actually, wait a minute. Remember we planted the corn and pumpkins? Hold up. We gotta go over there. Let's go. So, we planted it a little late. And we didn't really tend to it well. Yeah, I'll go by myself. But we planted corn and pumpkin, and I don't think any of it grew. But I'm gonna go check. So, let's see. I planted it over here. See, it's like a big open field. It's looking like none of it grew. So we might need to try again next year. I don't think any of it grew. What? Yeah, okay, we are a little close from the wasp nest. So I think we're going to go on a journey and find somewhere else to, I'll have it right now, to venture on.
Bunch of really pretty ones right here. Oh, we'll pick these.
More bugs.
It's okay. Got a whole bunch. How much more do you want?
I don't know.
Like one more should be good? Okay, let's go. Yeah, you can make sticks. So you can. Right, okay. Baba squat. So you can get like big sticks too, and you can always snap them. Yep. Shove them in your bucket. Yeah. That's it? You think this is going to be enough? We can always go back out. We'll make our way down.
Okay. Now I can start. So we're going to take all of our...
I'm taking the leaves and taking off the stems.
Okay. I'm going to take all of these little branches, I think.
I don't like this.
Stop it. I'm going to take all these little branches, and I think I'm going to make the bottom of it first, like a little floor.
I'll give you the tire.
So I think I'm going to get the more thicker ones on the floor.
I broke the leaf.
It's okay. There's plenty of leaves in the woods.
Oh yeah, I really like
I'm
it.
going to scooch my stuff back. So I'm going to build it all. Some of the things I might need
I
to
really like
snap.
this flower.
There we go.
Sometimes I'm not that smart. Logically, yeah, at least. What's wrong with it? We need more steps. Wanna go get more steps? Why? Because I'm making my house. We're making our house. You're just getting steps. I thought we make our own houses. No. So now I get twice. Hold it together, actually, really good. So I think that might be the bottom part, so you only have to see this. You don't have to see all that. Well, that kind of to stop, and you didn't the first time. I might actually have that together. So. We're gonna have dinner soon. Okay. I think I'm almost done. I didn't really use one of these big plates because it didn't work out the way I thought it was going to. Should I get more of those plates done? No, it's fine. I have enough. Okay. Don't. This is really to the slate. This isn't the really pretty one I was hoping for, but I think it'll still work. I actually like that. Oh wait, no, you should put it on the walls before that. Whatever. I'm kind of sick of this. I'm gonna give it up. Well, since we're doing that, I'm probably just going to find the pine nursery here. We'll make this a little seat. If it rains, what will happen? There's no single cloud in this area, I don't think. Okay, but whatever. This is kind of cute, actually. I'm not 100% disappointed in this, like I thought I was going to be. And then we can add these as walls. I just put, see, maybe it could be like a little, like, porch for them, like you said. That's what you Come on, we need flowers. Yeah, we can have some flowers for them. I know how to do the flowers, so don't hold on a chair. Hold on. Let's put this on a tree. Yeah, before we do anything else. Because the middle of it. It's not middle.
So right now, we're doing a fairy house. See how kind of like, oh, it's over here. It kind of blends in. So like, you can't really tell too much that it's there. So people won't come by and like,
Smush it.
what's up, crow? Sorry, I got distracted. It's a crow. It's a lot closer than it looks. Anyway, well, we have it next to a big tree. So if they're flying home, but like this is like a little free hotel for them, right?
Yeah, let's add another.
It's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna go back and go get some more stuff. Back to our table. This is our set. We actually use a can of, well, a cup of soup.
Which I'm going to eat.
Afterwards, maybe a piece of bark. Let's go. See, look at from here. You can't tell that there's a fairy house here.
No, this is the cutest bed.
It's like a little inn.
Hey, it's
Come
Fairy
to.
Inn.
Okay. I think I'm gonna use this piece of back as like a wall, maybe.
Well, I'm putting in a bed.
Kind of using the camera to see where I'm putting it. There you go.
It's a bed. Oh my God.
It's really cute. Okay, so we're gonna do a little house tour.
So we have some flowers right here.
Mm-hmm.
A little bed.
Yeah.
A chair. And
We have a
piece of
little
bark.
wall back here for protection. Our little roof. It's a cute little house, and it blends in. So, well, I'll give you the wide shot, or the far away shot. It's like, you can barely tell it's, oh, hold on, let me move. You can barely tell it's there. I have to like zoom in for you to actually kind of see it. So there you go. There's our fairy house. We made it a lot more simpler than we thought. I was gonna make it like really pretty, but couldn't quite do it, but that's okay. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it,
Leave a like.
and comment what you guys
Thumbs up.
want next, because we're not sure what we're gonna do. Any fall themes? So I think what we're gonna do is every time we upload from like in October to November, we're gonna do fall theme stuff.
Well, a little bit of December, maybe, because
In December we'll
my
probably
birthday's in fall, but it's in December.
we'll probably do some winter theme stuff. When we do it, but
Yeah.
thank you guys for watching. Bye.